Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Quick video today going over the stock market setup for the upcoming weeks. I'm looking into uranium sector. If you follow my blog, you know as of recent I've been talking about it. So I started to speculate in uranium, and both stocks I picked did really well in a very short period of time. So what I decided, I left one in and I cashed the other one out because I could not resist the gains after being so new in the sector without really knowing as much as I believe I should. So I decided to do that and use those profits to order more physical platinum. I stopped buying physical gold and silver for a while now. I believe platinum is on a huge sale, and scarcity of platinum is so much different even than gold. You look at platinum, comes out about 10 to 1 out of the ground. It's in hostile territories. You got COVID shutdowns that continue going on. There is so much about platinum that can turn the tide here so quickly, and I don't want to get caught without having some exposure to physical platinum. So I've been using profits out of the stock market to acquire physical metals. I also use certain sectors to inject those profits into different sectors based on probabilities, based on what I see is happening, right? So again, you don't have to do any of this. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and how I'm playing and setting up for this nonsense that we are witnessing. So why not try to make sense out of nonsense and avoid being a victim and actually prosper in environment like this? So that's what I'm looking for. So uranium, I'm very excited about it. Cannot wait for the market to open up so I can see what is happening. The stock I sold could jump another 15% tomorrow. Yes, I will be pissed off for maybe 5 seconds, and I'll laugh about it. It's no big deal because I left another horse in the race, which is UUU, 4 U's. This is one of the stocks I left, and the one I sold, the stock name is UEC. So if you see UEC go up 15%, you're more than welcome to jump in the chat box and just make fun of me, and that's fine with me too. So this is how, like I said again, I'm planning on playing this in this market. It makes a lot of sense to me. These games that used to work for decades, just buy a stock and wait and hold, that's not working out any longer. If you say, well, Bitcoin is doing really well, it's now at 20K, 19K. If you bought at 500, if you just held it, no, the volatility here is gut-wrenching, and I'm not interested in anything that can sell off 30% in a day or two, and also has no history when it comes to inflationary times, deflationary. We really don't know with Bitcoin how it's going to react. So this is why I always say you have to stick with fundamentals. Gold has 5,000 years history compared to 10 or so from cryptocurrencies. And this is why I'm just sticking with probabilities, not pipe dreams. I like to take profits out and use that to buy real money. As JP Morgan said, gold is money, everything else is credit. There is always going to be gold buyers. Someone is going to buy your gold. It doesn't matter what the price is. It can be $50,000 an ounce this coming year. Somebody is going to buy your gold. Bitcoin, you're not sure. If a big sell-off happens, are you going to be the one holding the bag? We don't know yet. So this is why I'm just trying to tell you guys the reason behind my, I guess, logic. And I could be wrong, and that's okay with me. So profits out, re-inject in different sectors is how I'm playing the market, and buying 20%, roughly 20% of your profits into physical precious metals. If you have no exposure to gold, I strongly suggest to do your own due diligence and then make a move if you think it would be smart for you to buy some. Again, the reason why I say this, vast majority of younger generation, especially Americans, do not own 1 gram of gold, while at least 3, 4, possibly 5 or more older savvy investors already are and have been speculating in cryptocurrencies. They either own Bitcoin or trade it and other alts. And that's just the way it is. So don't be complacent. Don't just detach from this matrix owning cryptocurrencies and going all in and counting your profits with digits on a screen. Make sure you have some hard, tangible assets in your possession. That's just, it is beyond important. It's why they don't teach you about sound money in schools, because you're not supposed to know about this. You're supposed to know how to stay in the system. So again, for all of you out there who are paper rich, Bitcoin rich, if you don't have hard tangible assets as at least 20, 30%, 10%, 5% of your portfolio, I believe you're making a huge mistake, especially when you look what's going on in the world and what has been going on. So think about it. Take care. Remember, uranium is an interesting sector to follow. I will keep you guys posted on Twitter at TheNewAmerica77 and on Parler at The New American Conservative with my entrances, exits, which stock I'm speculating in, and what I'm doing. So give me a follow there. Like this video if you think it's informative. Share it with your friends and family. And God bless you all.